Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing of the Urbanista San Francisco hands-free ergonomic earphones. If you'd like to support the Tech Travel Geeks, please subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. Not only do we do videos of unboxings, but also reviews of smartphones, automotive vehicles like Lukash's Tesla, and some travel stuff as well. Right then, let's have a look at what the Urbanista San Francisco ergonomic earphones are like. The packaging is fairly simple. It is obviously meant for retail. There's a little hook for at the top, plastic hook at the top, so that it can be stacked on arms. And I'm trying to get the plastic lip off one side, and I've been successful. And we'll try the other one. It's fairly simple to open these, is it? And there we go. So you can see on the back there's some details about the features of the device. So these have inline remote control, so you should be able to make and receive calls with them as well. And the first thing that comes out of the box is a card with a welcome to the Urbanista brand. So apparently you become part of the Urbanista community. It is quite a fashionable and trendy brand. And this is the earphones themselves. Simple black packaging. It seems to be plastic on the inside. Whoops. I've popped that out. And let's have a look at these. So nothing else in the box apart from the cable and a cable tie on the cable itself. The cable itself for the headphones, for the earphones, is, as you can see, flat. So this is less likely to tangle than round cables. And there is, from the joint in the middle for then going into the two lines for the ear, there is two smaller flat cables coming out of that. The inline remote, which we'll look at later, which allows you to answer and receive calls and to adjust volume. And then the earbuds themselves. Now, these are ergonomic earbuds. This means that they go in your ear. They don't have buds. They don't have those things that actually block your ears like earplugs. They're ergonomic ones. And if you look carefully, you can see there's seems to be a mesh on the inside to stop stuff getting in there. And there's also another output here. So two different bits there. And obviously our favorite port, the Courage port. So that's a 3.5mm adapter, and you can see that it has the 4 elements to it, so it does support a microphone as well. Now what I'm going to do is pause the video recording now. I'm going to plug the Urbanista earphones into my shiny Xiaomi Mi 9T, and I'm going to listen to music, see how it is, and give you some first impressions. Okay, so we're back. I've listened to some music and some podcasts using the Urbanista San Francisco earphones, and I have to say the sound is pretty decent. The only downside I'd say is I personally prefer the earplug style ones that give you a bit more isolation. But apart from that, these are a perfectly good set of headphones, and as you can see, they have a quite slim profile 3.5mm audio jack, which means that they should fit through most phone cases, even ones such as my Rinke Fusion X case for the Xiaomi Mi 9T. But overall, good sound quality. Jennifer Page's music seemed to have plenty of bass, and it handled complex sound quite well. I have also tried making a video call using the controller here, it does work, it does answer calls, and you can also use it as a microphone, so that the microphone works well. But I think that's pretty much it. For less than £20 sterling, depending on who you buy them from, there seem to be a good set of earphones. If you don't like the ones with earbuds that isolate you from outside noise. So, for example, if you prefer being able to hear what's going on around you, such as when you're walking in a crowded situation, if you still want to hear what's going around but also want to listen to audio, these are a decent choice. Personally, I don't think they're my cup of tea, but that's the Urbanista San Francisco earphones. Pretty decent sound quality. Ideal when you're indoors, but if you're in a noisy street, maybe not the best ones. Thanks for watching this unboxing and having our first impressions on the Urbanista San Francisco earphones. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And we also have a website, techtravelgeeks.com. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.